What's up mga quiz po artists? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan. At ngayong araw po panoorin natin yung official trailer ng Fantastic Four, the first step. So this is the first movie ng Fantastic Four after i-transfer sa Marvel Studios yung rights coming from 28th Century Fox, if not mistaken. Yeah, I think. Kasama ng X-Men, diba? So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung video and later ibibigay kong reaction and opinion ko on the said trailer. So let's go!
Wow, folks, we all know the story. 4 brave astronauts head up into space and come back forever changed.
This car?
Our city, our planet, owe a debt to these intrepid souls. And while we can never repay them, we can certainly celebrate them.
Thank you, Fantastic Four. Thank you.
Thank you, Fantastic Four!
Please welcome the Fantastic Four.
Herbie, how's that sauce looking? Okay. That's fantastic.
You're late.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? You're late for dinner.
Yes, we are.
You late?
I just said that.
Are you pregnant?
What? You're gonna be the best mom in the world. And you are gonna be the best dad. Just kidding. You are out of your depth. We are gonna be the best uncles ever.
We can do this. Nothing is going to change.
Are you the protectors of this world?
Yes, we are.
Your planet is now marked for death.
It's my fault. I stretched the bounds of space. And they hurt.
Are we safe?
I don't know. There's not enough time.
I'm not giving up. We will face this together. We will fight it together. As a family. Has to be us.
We will protect you.
There you go, napanood natin yung official trailer ng Fantastic Four na binagbibidahan ni Pedro Pascal. No other than Pedro Pascal. So hindi ko kilala yung tatlong kasama niya. So bago lang sa paningin ko yung mga tatlong cast. So probably hindi ba silang bagong artista, but hindi na sila ganun kakilala, di ba? So masasabi ko, I think this is not the original the origin story. Kasi marami nang nagawa yan. Nagawa na yun sa the first reboot, as the first na movie din. In reboot noon, tama ba? O, nagkaroon ng reboot so this one hindi siya reboot. Ay, yeah, reboot ito pero hindi about the origin story, but mga early part nung pagiging Fantastic Four. So kung sa comics, ito mga early series, diba? Tama ba ako sa comics? Yeah, early series ng Fantastic Four, because yung makikita natin yung mga it's in the mga 50s, 60s ata yung setting ng movie. And I'm happy to see na accurate naman yung mga characters. So, Mr. Fantastic, Invisible Woman, Torch, saka si Mr. Thing, di ba? Na very accurate yung itsura niya, especially sa mukha. So, ang magiging kalaban nila dito si babaeng Silver Surfer. So wala akong idea kung may babaeng Silver Surfer. So hindi ganun kalawak ang knowledge ko about kay Silver Surfer. Kasi I know only one, yung Silver Surfer na lumabas to sa yung Fantastic Four na original na second, pero sequel niya, diba? So this one, first time ko na encounter yung babaeng Silver Surfer, and it looks fine naman sa akin. And ang main villain nila dito si Galactus, of course, na another character. So ito yung mga isa sa mga favorite kong villain si Galactus. Kasi galing sa ibang galaxy, di ba? So yun. So I hope makita natin na nakakatakot dito si Galactus, because mayroong history itong Marvel na when it comes to villain, medyo weak ang dating. Hindi nila napapalakas, hindi nila napapakitin yung pagiging strengths nila, diba, in the past. So I hopefully this one mapakita nila yung talagang lakas ni Galactus dito sa movie. Hindi lang nakatipend ito sa mga main characters o yung bida, diba? So yun, everything is fine. Yung mga CGI niya okay naman siya. So kasi ito yung nagiging problema in the past na mga naunang movies dito, diba? Ng I think MCU Phase 4 na ata to, or 5, na medyo problemado ang storyline sa CGI. So hopefully this one, yung The Fantastic Four, maging okay rin yung storyline sa CGI niya, diba? So yun. Pero mga quiz, mga atiso, ano masasabi niyo dito sa Fantastic Four? Excited ba kayo dito sa Fantastic Four? And I know hindi siya super sikat na characters sa Marvel, pero sa mga avid na mga comics, katulad ko, avid ako ng comics, so familiar ako dito sa Fantastic Four. Kayo ba ay nagustuhan nyo yung trailer? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. Sa pinigyan kong reaction at opinion ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So there you go, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.